Welcome to the ultimate adventure on wheels of the 2025 Nissan Camper Motorhome. Whether you're a weekend explorer, a full-time road warrior, or just someone who loves the freedom of the open road, this camper is designed to deliver the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and cutting-edge technology. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Nissan Camper Motorhome features a sleek and aerodynamic design that enhances fuel efficiency and stability on highways. The front fascia boasts a bold grille, LED headlights, and fog lamps, ensuring excellent visibility even in low-light conditions. The high-strength aluminum body keeps the weight manageable while maintaining durability. Large panoramic windows provide stunning views of nature while keeping the interior bright and airy. The camper comes in multiple size options, ranging from a compact two-person model to a fully loaded family-size version. A retractable awning extends from the side, offering shade and shelter for outdoor relaxation. The integrated solar panel system on the roof supplies sustainable energy, reducing reliance on external power sources. For off-grid adventurers, a lithium-ion battery bank ensures you have enough stored energy for extended trips. Now, stepping inside, the first thing you'll notice is the spacious and thoughtfully designed interior. High-quality materials such as soft-touch fabrics, durable wood accents, and modern LED lighting create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The floor plan is optimized for functionality, ensuring every inch of space is utilized efficiently. The living area includes a comfortable sofa that doubles as a sleeping space. In larger models, there's a dedicated dinette with seating for four, perfect for meals, working remotely, or playing games with the family. Smart storage compartments are hidden throughout, including under-seat drawers and overhead cabinets, making it easy to keep everything organized. Moving to the kitchen, the 2025 Nissan Camper Motorhome is equipped with a state-of-the-art kitchenette. The compact yet efficient layout includes an induction cooktop, a microwave oven, and a deep stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet. The countertops are made from scratch-resistant composite material, ensuring durability over years of travel. A full-size refrigerator with a separate freezer compartment allows you to store fresh ingredients and frozen essentials. A built-in smart control panel lets you monitor and adjust lighting, temperature, and energy usage with the touch of a button. With smartphone connectivity, you can control these features remotely, making it easy to prepare your camper before you even step inside. Moving to the bathroom, the Nissan Camper Motorhome includes a fully functional wet bath with a high-pressure shower, a space-saving toilet, and a modern sink. The water heater provides instant hot water, ensuring a comfortable experience. High-efficiency ventilation prevents moisture buildup, and antimicrobial surfaces help maintain hygiene. For sleeping arrangements, the camper offers multiple configurations. The standard model includes a convertible bed in the living area, while the larger versions have a dedicated rear sleeping space with a memory foam mattress. The premium trim level features a pop-up roof with an additional sleeping loft, perfect for families or guests. Climate control is another highlight of this camper. A built-in vac system keeps the interior comfortable year-round, with a quiet air conditioning unit for hot summer days and an efficient heater for cold nights. The insulation is top-notch, reducing outside noise and maintaining a stable temperature inside. The entertainment system includes a smart TV with streaming capabilities, surround sound speakers, and multiple USB and power outlets for charging devices. Wi-Fi connectivity is available through an optional satellite internet system, ensuring you stay connected no matter where your journey takes you. For drivers, the Nissan Camper Motorhome offers an advanced cockpit with a digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and voice-activated controls. The ergonomic design ensures that all buttons and controls are easily accessible, reducing driver fatigue and long trips. The safety features are impressive, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking and maneuvering easier. The vehicle is powered by a fuel-efficient yet powerful hybrid engine, providing excellent mileage without compromising performance. An optional all-wheel drive system enhances traction, making it a great choice for off-road adventures. Storage options are abundant, with an exterior gear locker for camping essentials, a roof rack for additional cargo, and internal compartments for personal belongings. The rear has a bike rack attachment, and there's even an option for a towing package if you need to bring along extra gear or a small trailer. Water and waste management are designed for convenience. The freshwater tank has a large capacity, and a gray water filtration system allows for eco-friendly disposal. The black water tank is easy to empty with a hands-free waste system, minimizing maintenance efforts. Additional features include an integrated security system with motion sensors and smart locks, keyless entry, and an emergency power backup. The camper also comes with an off-grid adventure package, which includes reinforced suspension, skid plates, and all-terrain tires, allowing you to explore rugged landscapes with confidence. The 2025 Nissan Camper Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a home on wheels that adapts to your lifestyle. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring remote mountain trails, this camper delivers exceptional comfort, convenience, and capability. With its cutting-edge technology, eco-friendly features, and thoughtfully designed living spaces, it sets a new standard for modern camper vans. That's a complete look at the 2025 Nissan Camper Motorhome. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest camper models and adventure gear. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.